But right now we're going to talk about weather. And what warm temperatures this past weekend, I swear. I went out in a hoodie and I was sweating within 5 minutes.
Temperature readings in the 60s for daytime highs. I mean, this is more commensurate with what you would see at the end of March, 1st of April. Just amazing. Yeah, okay, the folks at Brundage, so they got their little, I'm not sure what that is.
Someone is a Jayhawk fan. I think that's a KU Jayhawk.
Okay, well, that little Jayhawk got a little snow on there today. Look at how much snow they got. 1 to nearly 2 inches of snow. See a little snow on his shoulders and on his little beak there. So it's amazing. That's where the storm track is. It's coming so close, but it is not affecting us here in the Treasure Valley, but it still generates these little hit and miss pockets of snow every now and then in the west central mountains. So that's where the activity has been, with most of the snow really focusing in on the Idaho Panhandle. So what's going to happen with our temperature readings here over the next few days is that it is going to be getting warmer. 53 degrees will be the high temperature tomorrow in Boise, 58 degrees on Wednesday. Look at Thursday, we jump up to 60 degrees. What's the average again? 42 degrees now for this time of the year. That's because there's a weak front that moves in on Friday, and that weak front may help to take our temperature readings back down to about 51 degrees by Saturday, but it is not going to be a significant weather maker for us here in the southwestern part of the state. So on the Futurecast, what we're seeing is these occasional disturbances kind of cruising by on this northwest flow that we've had. And there you can see tomorrow morning, again, a little shot of snow possible for the Long Valley. And then by the afternoon, drier conditions. Then another weak disturbance comes in on this northwesterly flow, and it may generate a scattering of snow showers for the central mountains. But what we can expect to see here in the valley is this. It's going to be staying very mild this week, a mixture of sunshine and clouds. Now, there may be occasional mountain snow, and expect what is going to be a mild weekend. So what in the world is happening with the storm track? Why is it we're not seeing these storms affecting us? Well, it's because the storm track is dipping down into the eastern half of the country. That is a snowstorm that is moving through St. Louis and around Chicago area. So where the jet stream goes, that's where the cold air and the stormy conditions go. This is where the jet stream has been favoring pretty much all winter long. And for us here along the west coast, it has been a fairly persistent area of high pressure, buckling the jet stream to the north. And with the high pressure, you get a couple of features. You get the dry air, but it's also very mild air. And so the mild conditions are expected to continue. Again, maybe a little weak disturbance comes in here on Friday, but I'm not going to hold my breath for anything. So there you can see the forecasts around the region. The Magic Valley, again, a mix of sun and clouds. Most of the cloudy skies up in Sun Valley may get a couple of little passing snow showers every now and then up around McCall and the mountains of Cascade. But the lower Treasure Valley will see high temperatures in the low 50s with overnight lows tonight in the 30s, a mix of sun and cloud, mild conditions, and it stays mild through Thursday. Maybe some clouds, maybe a little passing shower on Friday, and I place a lot of emphasis on the word maybe. And then on Saturday and Sunday, sunny to partly cloudy skies with highs near 50 degrees, and the mountains will continue to see that mix of clouds and sun, an occasional snow shower Tuesday and Wednesday, and a better chance on Friday. But the weekend, and it all looks like it's just to the north of Bogus Basin, so up around Cascade, McCall, those areas. Wow. Get a little shot every now and then, but even then, it's warm. It's drier than it should be.
Okay, Ron, thank you.